If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this.
Travel the depths of the ocean, to the birds that flock to our river. Rising up, flying high to the top.
Of all animals, protecting the health of our blue planet, our home. For these animals born within our parks, Seaworld is their home. We're all connected. Join us as we celebrate that connection, and it's our hope that through your experience with us tonight, that you too are inspired to protect the wild wonders of our natural world.
And even the illegal fish rays are some of the dangers animals like our friends here face every day. In fact, the blue brother macaw has been classified as critically endangered, and that means it is almost extinct. And just to
joining us here at Touch the Sky. We hope you have an incredible night right here at Seaworld Electric Ocean. Good night, everyone.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.